it sounds like rain. I hear my heart beating. You want it simple, you make it so hard. You could have been stone, ancient stone, floating in one for we turn inside, turn inside, turn inside, turn inside. Overhead. That's Cars in Space by Rolling Blackouts, Coastal Fever. It's a relatively straightforward song. It's got some bar chords, so they have 3 guitars in the band. The song starts on an A. Quite a quick tempo. And then it goes to F sharp minor. And then it goes back to A. And then your face, it shines in the rain. So very just like a couple words at a time. And that goes back and forth. And they're going up to the acoustic guitar in the band is playing the A up here. And then they go to the chorus, and it's B, D, F sharp minor, B, turn inside, turn inside. That's how it ends. Turn inside. And then right back to the A. Well, actually, they go into extended guitar solo. Yeah. So they're just playing a lot out of this, we could call it the 7th fret, so I guess that's B minor, and they're getting a D sound out of it. D major. They're playing the B minor with some outside notes, and they're getting the D major, the relative major. And that's where they're getting a lot of those lead lines. Okay, that's my lesson for Cars in Space. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.